They said I can pick from any of these cars in the executive aisle. The Ram looks good, but I think I want something different. So I got the Tacoma, this. They got drop top Mustangs. I think I might go with this. I couldn't do it when I seen the 5.0. I just couldn't pass up on it. They said pick anyone. I was like, okay, I'll pick this right here.
Oh my God, we balling today.
We balling. So the other guy snagged the Mustang. That's why the door was locked. So I might just go with this Chrysler 300S. It is not the V8, but it'll do.
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the.
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Life of Vanny. I'm back with another YouTube video. Yes, I am currently in Illinois right now. The exact location I'm in is Joliet. I guess that's how you say it, not Juliet, Joliet. I just so happen to be riding around in the area, and next thing you know, I see CJ on 32's, you know, Crusader shop over there, and I'm like, wait a minute. I'm like, this shop looks familiar. I just can't remember why I know it. That's the shop he be going to right there. Him and I guess it's Al's shop, I want to say. But yeah, man, I was like, wow. Just traveling, man. I just picked a random spot, you know, to get a hotel room, which is here. The Super 8 is actually pretty nice. They don't allow people to linger around the hotel room at all, because last night someone was, I guess, just talking on the phone right here, going back and forth, walking back and forth. Got the cops called on them. I was like, dang. But yeah, we're about to go see. I think I want to do, well, I don't know if I want to be outside, so I might just do like some museums and stuff like that, because it's not gonna lie, it's 43 degrees outside. Let's see what Chicago has to offer. Peace out. I know I've been away.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, blowing me kisses.
Come on in, I'll be right with you. All right, keep coming on in. Restrooms will be
Baby, just do it for you. When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, all the girls around me doing their faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa, he's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, yeah, but enough. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. No, it's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous.
Take my mini break, but dude, Chicago was nice. When I say nice, I mean nice. I wish I would have came with a few more people or just someone else, you know, because that place that I just came from, that's more of like a bring somebody there type of thing, or you know, have a big crew with you. Cool people though. Everybody was nice. Everything. It almost, I don't know. This in New York is crazy. It ain't too much of a difference, but New York has a lot more people. So I'm trying to check out another museum, but after that I'm gone because the parking fee like $45 or whatever to park in the parking lot. So yeah, I'm like, after the next museum I go to, that's it for me. I'm done. At the end of my contract, then that's when I'll come back. Hopefully, I got a few people that want to fly out here, so we'll all meet up out here and then just adventure while we out here. What is up, guys? I am back in Phoenix, Arizona. Sunday morning right now. It's currently 5:30, and I got invited to go. Where's she at? Well, my best friend and her family invited me to go to the lake with them today, so that's what we're gonna do. I don't think I've ever been to any of the lakes in Arizona, but I do got my GoPro, so I guess they're bringing jet skis and everything. Her family has, they own 2 jet skis and 2 boats or something like that. So I was like, why not? Ain't gonna be doing nothing else, so let's enjoy my time while I'm here, because who knows when I'll have to be back on the road. So I'm gonna try to do everything that I want to do or that people are inviting me to do. Lord have mercy, why does she have so much stuff? But yeah, I do have to see about this too as well. I don't know if y'all remember, but in Michigan, when I went to Michigan, somebody basically hit my car door and took off. So we're gonna see what's up with that when I get back today, or I'll check it out Monday. Hopefully it's a smooth little quick 2-3 day turnaround fix. If not, then they're more than likely gonna try to replace the whole door, which I really don't want to happen because I'm gonna have to pay the deductible on my insurance, and I'm not trying to pay that. So yeah, I did get offered a job in New Mexico for 2 years. It's in Los Alamos or something like that for 2 years, and I'm just waiting to hear back right now. So it'll be like a new opportunity for me. I really never planned on going to New Mexico, but it's whatever. I'll give it a try. If it turns out to be good, then that's perfect. So, oh my Lord, hurry up! Hey, hey. It's all right.
I ain't front row. She's on TV in the front row. Catch me in the front row.
This high country crazy. 6.2 liter.
That spray ain't do nothing.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. Cause your time is money and no budget wasted. Oh no, no. Baby, let's go with it. Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like I'm a new. Let's get the basics. Oh, no. He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're putting on. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be
These niggas are sunk the fucking jet ski, nigga. My little brother just sunk the fucking jet ski, nigga.